Ke a go amogela moithuti wa Setswana. A o siame. Nna ke siame tota. Thuto e nngwe ke e. How to say I am speaking with. I am not speaking with. I spoke with. Or I did not speak with in Setswana. This lesson is derived from the ebook Setswana Sentence Starters. This ebook covers over 180 sentence starters translated from Setswana to English with some examples. You can get your own from the link on the description box. You would indeed be helping me to run this channel. For now, let us start with this sentence starter, I am speaking with. Translated, it would be Ke bua le. Ke bua le. And take note there, Ke bua le can also mean I am speaking to or I am talking to. So the examples of Ke bua le would be Ke bua le Richard. I am speaking with Richard. Ke bua le baithuti. I am speaking with the learners. What if you are not speaking with them? Now, you would start your sentence with Ga ke bui le. Ga ke bui le. That means I am not speaking with. Notice that the verb ends with an E. This is happening because the sentence is continuous. So the examples of Ga ke bui le would be Ga ke bui le Richard. I am not speaking with Richard. Ga ke bui le baithuti. I am not speaking with the learners. Remember, this can also mean I am not talking to Richard and I am not talking to the learners. So that is how you would say I am speaking with and the negative thereof. Ga ke bui le, that is the negative. Ke bua le is the positive. We move on now to how to say I spoke with, which is the past tense. Translated to Setswana, it would be Ke buile le. I spoke with. Ke buile le. In this context, Ke buile le Richard. I spoke with Richard. Ke buile le baithuti. I spoke with the learners. Ke buile le Richard. Ke buile le baithuti. The negative form, which is I did not speak with, in Setswana that would be Ga ke a bua le. Ga ke a bua le. Ga ke a bua le Richard. I did not speak with Richard. Ga ke a bua le baithuti. I did not speak with the learners. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and you understood. Please do well to get your own ebook. It's very easy to go through. You will love it. Ke lebogela nako ya gago.